Picture Windows Warren, Michigan is a practical solution when old glass, damaged seals, or worn frames begin affecting comfort and efficiency. Trusted window replacement. Warren, Michigan services often include window frame replacement, glass replacement for picture windows, and picture window repair for homes and businesses throughout Warren, Michigan. A Warren, Michigan window contractor can assess whether repair or full replacement is the better option based on the age of the window and the condition of the frame. In many cases, double-pane windows. Warren, Michigan provide a major upgrade over older single-pane units, improving insulation and reducing outside noise. For property owners searching for local picture window services, Warren, a professional approach ensures precise fitting, better performance, and a cleaner finished look. Energy-efficient picture windows. Warren are a smart investment for homeowners who want to reduce drafts and lower utility costs in Warren, Michigan. Energy-efficient windows. Warren, Michigan options often include double-pane picture windows, insulated glass, and tightly sealed frames that support year-round comfort. A picture window upgrade can help control heat loss during Michigan winters and limit unwanted heat gain during the summer months. Many local window company professionals recommend vinyl picture windows or custom picture windows with advanced glazing for the best balance of appearance and performance. When installed properly by home window installers. Warren, Michigan, these windows can help improve indoor comfort while enhancing the value of the property. For those planning new windows. Warren, Michigan projects, efficiency should remain a top priority. Custom picture windows are ideal for homeowners and builders who want a unique fit for a specific opening or a distinctive architectural style. In Warren, custom picture windows. Warren options can be designed to complement colonial homes, ranch homes, split-level layouts, and modern builds with clean lines and wide views. New construction picture windows are especially popular in projects that require large fixed glass window panels and a seamless exterior look. A local window company can coordinate measurements, frame materials, and glass options to ensure the window matches the home's design. For anyone seeking picture window specialists near Warren, Michigan, working with experienced professionals helps ensure accurate installation, strong sealing, and a finished product that feels custom-built for the space. Vinyl picture windows. Warren, Michigan are frequently chosen for their durability, affordability, and low-maintenance performance. Homeowners searching for affordable picture windows. Warren often find that vinyl frames provide excellent value without sacrificing insulation or style. These windows work well in both new construction picture windows and replacement projects, especially when paired with double-pane picture windows for added energy savings. A window contractor can explain how vinyl compares to aluminum picture windows and determine which option is best for the property. For those looking at picture windows. Warren, Michigan, vinyl frames remain a popular choice for residential window installation because they resist moisture, require little upkeep, and support long-lasting performance in Michigan weather. Picture window installation. Warren, Michigan should always be handled by experienced professionals who understand the importance of precision, alignment, and weather sealing. Even a beautiful custom picture window can underperform if it is installed incorrectly, so choosing a Warren, Michigan window company with a strong local reputation matters. Home window installation for picture windows must account for frame support, insulation, and proper flashing to prevent leaks and energy loss. Whether the project involves large fixed picture windows, modern picture window design, or architectural picture windows, careful installation makes the difference. Warren residential window installation services should also ensure that the finished window complements the home's exterior and interior layout while maximizing light and visibility. Window repair and glass replacement for picture windows are often the fastest ways to restore function without replacing the entire unit. Warren picture window repair services can address cracked glass, failed seals, fogging between panes, and frame damage caused by age or weather. In some situations, Warren, Michigan glass replacement may be all that is needed to improve visibility and efficiency, especially when the existing frame is still in good condition. Window frame repair. Warren, Michigan can also extend the life of the window and avoid the cost of a full replacement. For homeowners and businesses needing fast help, Warren, Michigan residential glass services and local window company support can provide practical solutions that restore safety and appearance quickly. Residential picture window service in Warren, Michigan is ideal for homeowners looking to improve aesthetics, comfort, and daylight in one project. Large fixed picture windows are especially effective in main living areas, where they create an unobstructed view and bring in natural light throughout the day. Homeowners in Macomb County often pair picture windows with other window styles to create a balanced exterior and interior design. A window contractor can recommend the best combination of modern picture windows, double-pane windows Warren, Michigan, and architectural picture windows based on the home's structure and the homeowner's goals. For those seeking picture window specialists near Warren, Michigan, the right team can deliver dependable results across repair, replacement, and installation services. Warren Commercial Window Replacement and Warren Residential Window Installation both benefit from the same core priorities: quality materials, experienced labor, and a design that suits the property. Whether the project calls for fixed glass windows Warren, Michigan, picture windows Warren, Michigan, or new construction picture windows, a dependable Warren, Michigan window company can help manage the process from consultation to completion. Local property owners often choose picture window installation Warren, Michigan when they want to modernize an older building or create a brighter, more appealing space. From picture window replacement Warren, Michigan to custom picture windows, the right solution can improve curb appeal, raise property value, and support long-term performance throughout Warren and surrounding areas.